Hello students, today we are going with our second assignment. Already we have completed our first assignment key paper in last class. So this time we have given the I have given the topic as the parts of speech to identify the parts of speech of the underlined words. See the first sentence. Here the first sentence, she went to the market and bought some eggs. Here the underlined word is went. Here went is showing an action here. So we can say what is an action? An action means nothing but the verb. An action is nothing but the verb. So here went is a verb. Went is a verb. Okay. In the second sentence, I want to go now. I want to go now. See the second one. I want to go now. Here, what is now? What is now here in the sentence? Sorry, students. Yeah. I want to go now. Here, I is the subject. Okay. Want is the verb. Go is also an action there. Okay. But it is describing about the verb in the sentence. It is describing about the verb in the sentence. So it will be an adverb. Here now is an adverb. Here now is an adverb. See this third sentence. See the third sentence. What are you doing there? What are you doing there? What is there here in the sentence? There is an adverb in the sentence. Why I am saying it is an adverb? It is qualifying the verb doing in the sentence. So what qualifies the verb in the sentence? Adverb qualifies the verb in the sentence. Adverb qualifies the verb, adverb qualifies the adjective, adverb qualifies the adverb itself, adverb qualifies the preposition, adverb qualifies the conjunction, and sometimes in some cases it qualifies the whole sentence. It can qualify the whole sentence. For example, if I will say, fortunately he came early. Here fortunately is an adverb and the whole sentence it is qualifying. The word fortunately, we wrote it in the first. Okay, so the word fortunately is qualifying the whole sentence. Without the word fortunately, we cannot know what we are going to say or what the expression is given in the sentence or whatever the action is given in the sentence. So here I can say in some cases it can also qualify the sentence also. Coming to the fourth one, see here. There is a mouse underneath the piano. There is a mouse underneath the piano. Here, underneath is the underlined word. Okay. Underneath is the, what is it? It is a preposition. It is a preposition. It is showing the position of the mouse in the sentence. So we can say underneath is the preposition in the sentence. Masons build houses. Masons build houses. Here mason is an underlined verb. Okay. We are talking about the masons. Okay. Okay. Those who build the houses, manam laborers, vallu will antam kada. So actually the word we use for that people are masons. So here when we are talking about the masons here in the sentence, masons is a noun in the sentence. Masons is a noun in the sentence. Masons build houses. Okay students, got it till here. See the next one. See the sixth one. Sixth sentence. John is my best friend. John is my best friend. Here John is the underlined word. Okay. Here what are the options given here? Proper noun, collective noun and common noun. Actually when the particular name is given, particular name of a person is given in the sentence, we can say it is a proper noun. So here John is a proper noun. Got it, students? Seventh one. See here. Up. She looked up but didn't see anything. She looked up but didn't see anything. See here, in the sentence the word up is the underlined word and it is qualifying the verb looked here. So we can say here up is an adverb. Okay, up is an adverb in the sentence. Okay, see the eighth one. My family live in different parts of India. Here the underlined word is family. The underlined word is family. Here we are having the options as common noun, abstract noun and collective noun. Family means the collection of members in the family. So we can say that family is a collective noun. Got it, students? See the next one. Ninth one. See the ninth sentence. That was difficult question. Here difficult is what is difficult here in the sentence? Here difficult is an adjective, adverb or preposition. What is it? What is it? How is the question? It is difficult. When we get the answer for the interrogative word how, so it will be an adjective. It will be an adjective here. So here in the sentence, difficult is an adjective. Difficult is an adjective. Okay, students, you got the clarity? Hope so. See the next one. Tenth one. What is the 10th question? She was very impressed with her results. She was. So what is the underlined verb here in the 10th question? What is the underlined word here? Very. Very is the underlined verb. So here, very is. What are the options? What are the options here? Adjective, adverb or verb. Adjective, adverb or verb. So here very is qualifying the verb impressed. Here it is one of the action. Okay, so we can say very is an adverb in the sentence. Very is an adverb in the sentence. Okay, see the 11th one. See the 11th one. Although she is poor, she is happy. Although she is poor, she is happy. Okay, here the underlined word is the options are conjunction, preposition or the verb. Conjunction, preposition or the verb. See the sentences, there are two parts in the sentences here. She is poor and she is happy. Okay, so these two parts of the sentences are being connected through the word although. Okay, are being connected to the word although. So we can say that although is the conjunction in the sentence. Although is the conjunction in the sentence. See the 12th one. What is the question? Have we brought enough chairs? Have we brought enough chairs? Here enough is the underlined verb. Enough is the underlined word. So what is it? Adverb, adjective or preposition? Adverb, adjective or preposition. If I say he brought enough chairs, chairs will be the noun. Okay, it is qualifying the noun. So we can say that here enough is an adjective. Enough is an adjective in the sentence. Okay. Now the 13th one, last one. What is the sentence? The policeman didn't run fast enough to catch the thief. The policeman didn't run fast to catch the thief. Okay. So what is the underlined word here? Fast. Adjective, adverb or verb. Adjective, adverb or verb. Here the policeman didn't run fast. Running is the verb. Running is the verb. Fast is qualifying the verb in the sentence. So we can say it is an adverb in the sentence. Okay. Fast is an adverb. Fast is an adverb. So here are the 13 sentences which I have given in the assignments. Okay students, kindly try to do your assignments regularly and check your answers in YouTube. Okay, thank you students.